Y'all, so it is officially maple happening up here for me. That's Southeast Ohio. I got all 50 of my taps finished today. That took me forever. Thank you, brother, and my son-in-law Justin. They helped me out. Anyhow, this is my setup this year. Last year it was a massive struggle with doing out in the open. You couldn't maintain the fire and everything else because of the wind. So this year we decided, we as in me, decided we're gonna try it in the box trailer. It's enclosed, you know, there's no air. I got this here roof thingy that opens up for allowing some ventilation. I got my stove, which by the way the trailer's not sitting evenly, so you can see we've got it shimmed up here a good bit actually, look at that. To try to get level. We're not perfect, but we're closer there. I've been growing in here all winter to keep out of the weather and all that there good stuff. You know, this is my setup. Got stove going. I got my buckets up here. I got all of my set. Minus this here Dr. Pepper. This is just cause, you know, it's good. Anyhow, I got my jars. I got the whole setup, the whole shebang. Here to go. We're fixing to put the evaporator on now. I got it all cleaned up from last year, so let's get that. Okay, this is the evaporator. I remember me getting it out last year. I couldn't hardly use it. It was a huge frustration. Very, very frustrated. I got it all washed up, cleaned up. You can see it smoking where I was taking the water out of it here. So anyhow, if it's pretty good on the stove, so we're going to try it again. I got the doohickeys there turned off. It covers it back here pretty good. I mean, there's a little bit showing, but it'll be all right. But the wind ain't gonna come and blow it out and make the flame irregular there and all that there. So I'm gonna dump the sap in here, which by the way, you know, I gotta do this because I'm only one-handed. But first I gotta get the fire going underneath of it again. So, oh, that's part of the middle. Anyhow, let me get this going. Get the fire lit. Now I only have a 10-pound tank or 20-pound tank, whatever the crap they are. Them small grill tanks, that's what I got. So I'm hoping it's enough to run at least 4 burners. I don't really know. We're fixing to find out. So we're gonna do this here together. I wanna run the middle. Oop, middle. And then, you know what? We're just gonna try it on all of them. So let me light these. You know, I don't need to be watching me play with fire. I've got all 5 burners going now. Clearly you only seen 4. I'm not gonna blast them, at least until I see how it's going. So lay this back down, get it evened out. Hold on, I'll be back. You'll see. Okay, that was the first pan dumped in there. Scared the crap plumb out of myself. It sizzled when it hit. Wasn't prepared. Anyhow, you can see it is off on level some, but that's just like, I don't know, 2-gallon, 3-gallon pan. So I got plenty of room to go. So we're gonna dump more in. We're going to see what it does before I go crazy and add a bunch more. I think this will hold like 40-gallon. I might be wrong, but I'm thinking so. So I'm going to dump the other pan in. I'll see how it reacts with the heat source here. Clearly the flame is too high, because look at it coming out on there. So it'll run all the burners. So I'm going to turn that down, but we're going to get more added, and then we'll come back to it and check and see what it's looking like here in a wee bit. I have literally been at it for about 3.5 minutes, maybe 4. And look how much it's already steaming and evaporating. That's its job. So it said to do the propane full blast. I was a little worried about that, but this said go full blast. Heat her up, get her done. So that's what we're doing. So I'm fixing to add another bucket in here. We'll see where we're at. Once I add that bucket, that's 10 gallons. So I might have been wrong on the 40-galloner. We're going to assume I'm wrong. Yeah. Wouldn't be the first time. Anyhow, I just want to see y'all see how much it's steaming. I think it's going to be a productive year this year. Humid, but productive in the enclosed box trailer out of the wind and weather. So I'm going to add another bucket and we'll check back in. Okay, I got all of the sap I have gathered, which is only 16 gallon, which ain't bad for the first day of collecting, really. Second day technically. I got 14 gallon today, 2 gallon yesterday, 14 gallon out of 16 jugs, but 2 of them had fallen off. So that's not too shabby at all. Clearly I was wrong on this being a 40-gallon tank. It's more like a 20-galloner by the time you put 4 more in. So 20-gallon evaporator pan. but just put it in here and it's already going to town and warm. So awesome. Really high hopes for this. We'll keep a check, come back to, we'll let you know how it's working out, all that there good jazz. So otherwise, this is just it. It's humid. Very very humid. I did strain the jugs through my cheesecloth down here and all that there good stuff. Not the jugs, the buckets. So yeah, we're making sap. We're making syrup. We're getting her done.